Getting your YouTube channel monetized is one of the hardest things every creator goes through. From getting 1,000 subscribers to 4,000 watch hours, it could be hard to achieve sometimes. Some people take weeks, some take months, and some take even years. What if I told you, instead of waiting to meet all that criteria and get approved for the YouTube Partner Program, you could actually get monetized and start making money from day one? Sounds interesting, innit? Stay with me to the end, okay? The reason many people waste time to go through all this is because they all want to make money from YouTube through the traditional way, that is making money through in-app revenue. That's the old way, okay? There are new ways to get started and start making money from YouTube. You know, before I used to think the only way to make money from YouTube is through video views. That's through the in-app revenue program, the YouTube Partner Program. But guess what? That is not true. There are new and better ways to make money from YouTube. Even without getting all the millions of views, you can make money way more than people having millions, billions of views. Ask me how, okay? Make sure you watch to the end. This is my backup channel. I run about 3 or 4 channels using this strategy, and I make a lot of money, okay? You're in the right place. Stay to the end. The creators that make the real money from YouTube are not those who make money only through the YouTube Partner Program, okay? They do something many other creators are not doing, and I'm about to tell you, okay? Stay tuned. According to YouTube industry data, the average CPM is $15.34, right? And we all know creators are allowed to keep 55% of that, and YouTube takes 45%, okay? Meaning an average YouTube channel makes $8.43 per 1,000 views, okay? So for you to make a reasonable amount, we're looking at, let's say you have 1 million views, okay? Creators with 1 million views make an average of $5,000 to $7,000 per million view, depending those views are quality, depending on where your videos are being watched, are they in qualified areas or not. So you're making averagely between $5,000 to $7,000 per million views, okay? That sounds like a big amount, but for you to get those millions of views on YouTube is actually very hard. Very hard. So before you make a reasonable amount from in-app revenue, it takes a lot. That's why I'm here to teach you better ways you can make money without going through the hassle of struggling for views, okay? With just a few views, you can make way more money than people depending on views alone. Now let's do the math, okay? Let's say your video hit 1 million views, and let's say half of those views are actually monetized views, okay? And the average, and let's say your CPM is $10, you're gonna make $2,750 from that video. Sounds interesting, in it? Until you know how hard it is to hit 1 million views. This method is what I call the creators economy revolution, okay? Now the global affiliate economy is worth over $17 billion and is projected to reach about $40 billion by 2030, okay? So while the dumb creators are busy chasing the ad pennies, smart creators are busy positioning themselves before customers. So here's how it works. You create value in your videos, you solve a problem, and then you link your viewers who need more knowledge or more advanced solutions to the problem you've solved. So these are the 3 core principles. This is how it works. The first thing is sell before you scale. Don't just chase views. The second thing is focus on solving a problem, not just making random videos, okay? Which means you need to talk about a problem which people are experiencing or going through, and then you talk about the solution, okay? And then the third thing is you now lead them to a course, a more advanced course, which is solution focused, and then cause them to buy. How about that? So step number one is to choose a problem-rich niche, okay? Not just based on random data, but based on real-time data. There's a lot of ways to do it. You can use ChatGPT, okay? There are a lot of niches out there with many problems to solve within those niches. So focus on one of them. I'm going to give you a breakdown of niches so you can choose from one, okay? Here's the problem. The thing is, most creators focus on entertainment, okay? Because that is where the most views seem to be coming from, because most people don't want self-education. They just want entertainment, okay? But with this kind of niche, the entertainment niche, you are hardly to find people you can actually convert them to customers. So I'm going to give you 3 main niches, all right, where you can use your affiliate marketing links to make money from the viewers. Because these niches, actually, the viewers in these niches are people who are serious. They are people looking for solutions to problems. They are people more focused about personal development rather than just entertaining themselves, okay? So here are the 3 most profitable affiliate marketing niches, okay? The first one, we have education or e-learning. The second is travel. And the third is beauty or skincare. Yeah, you can actually convert your viewers to customers very easily in these niches. All right, stay tuned. Let me walk you through it. So the key is choosing a problem-rich niche, okay? This is where viewers have a problem and they are willing to pay money for the solution, okay? So these are the 5 most profitable niches. So number 1, we have money. Number 2 is health. Number 3, relationship. Number 4, travel. And number 5, technology, okay? Now these niches are actually very broad. You don't need to do all of them. Just pick one and focus on them, okay? You don't need to do everything. The good thing is each niche is actually very wide. So let's say, for example, you pick the money niche, okay? Instead of just talking about, there's a lot to talk about money. You can focus on just investing, teaching people how to invest, probably in stocks or crypto, or teaching people how to start a business is another way. For relationships, you can focus on helping people to deal with relationship stress, helping people how to walk away from an ex-partner, how to move on. So be focused on a solution. Don't just do a wide, because the niches are actually very wide. There's a lot you can do within those niches, okay? So focus on offering solution to a specified problem within the niche. All right? So here is how it actually works, okay? Create a YouTube video, probably talking about, let's say you're talking about investing in crypto, okay? And now, within your description, you add an affiliate link to probably a crypto investment platform, or you add a link to your ebook, or you add a link to your online course, okay? So once people watch your video and they read your description, they are most likely to buy a course. They are most likely to subscribe to your online store in order to probably consume your ebooks or your courses, which are highly solution centered on the problem they are facing. Let's take, for example, you're watching an entertainment video. maybe a football game or a documentary, just entertainment purpose, are you most likely to spend any money to get something from that? No. The answer is no. But if you're watching a video talking about maybe how to invest in something or how to start up a business, you are most likely to buy a course which is focused to the solution to your problem. Because for you to watch such videos and actually pay attention means you actually probably want to start up a business, you're looking forward to investing and you don't know how. So you are most likely to be willing to invest some money into that solution, in getting a very good solution or a potential solution to your problem. Okay? So once people watch your videos, they click your links and buy from you, you're getting a percentage. For example, you're talking about investing in stocks and you put an affiliate link taking you to the Trading 212 platform. Okay? Once someone buys that, Trading 212 is going to give you a percentage of that sale, probably 25 to 30% of that sale. Okay? Very good way to make money. Let's carry on. Step 1, choose a niche. Step 2, talk about the solution to a problem. Okay? Talk about the problem and a solution, but a partial solution. And step 3, lead people to buy from your affiliate links the real solution you're offering. Very easy, okay? Let's carry on. So let's say, for example, you partner with a software, maybe a software program, okay? And for example, let's say your commission is 30% per monthly subscription, okay? So for every one person, let's say the monthly payment is £100. For every one person that purchases from you, you're getting £30. And if you get 100 people to purchase from you, £3,000 a month. That is something in-ad revenue would never deliver to you. Alright? With a few thousand views and you get maybe 100 people per 1,000 views. Just do the mathematics, bro. Do the math. That's £3,000 or dollars per 1,000 views. Let's say you get 10,000 views, 20,000 views. So that is simply how it works. Okay? There are a lot of affiliate programs out there you can partner with. The thing is, just choose a niche, a very good niche where these problems actually are. So here's the problem, okay? Many new creators wait until they get monetized before they start thinking outside the box, like, how can I join an affiliate program? Okay? Start today. Start even when you still have 0 subscribers, okay? Start talking about affiliate marketing within your videos. Like I already said, talk about a problem, offer a partial solution, and then you lead them to the full solution through your affiliate link, okay? You can partner with a lot of affiliate programs are out there. Maybe from ebooks to courses to softwares. Choose one and stick within that niche, okay? I hope this helps someone out here today. So thank you so very much for watching up to this point. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you.